Lesson 3. Insects. Insects are very small group of winged animals with 6 legs. Their body is divided into head, thorax and abdomen. Insects are everywhere. You can see them in your garden, on trees. They can be helpful like bees. Insects are invertebrates, which means they don't have a backbone. They have 2 antennae on their head. Insects are cold-blooded, which means their body temperature changes depending on how warm or cold the air around them is. Let me read loudly the name of some insects. Ant, butterfly, housefly, mosquito, cockroach, bee, grasshopper, cricket, wasp, bedbug, louse, beetle, dragonfly, flea, ladybug, moth, scorpion. Ant. Ants are social insects. They live in large groups or colonies. Inside the ant colony, there are 3 types: the queen, the male and the female. Ants live for about 45 to 60 days. They can carry up to 20 times their own body weight. They are always active. Ants don't sleep. Butterfly. Butterflies are known for their beautiful colors and unique patterns. They come in a large variety of shapes and sizes. Butterflies have a life cycle that have 4 different stages. It begins as an egg which is laid on the plant that they eat. Next stage of the butterfly life is larvae, and it is called a caterpillar. The third stage is when the caterpillar creates a cocoon and becomes chrysalis. Butterflies play an important role in flower pollination. The life of a butterfly is 7 days. Some live few months. Housefly. Houseflies are common fly found in houses. Houseflies rely on their sense of smell when they source for food. They are active during the day and rest at night. They lay a range of 2,500 eggs on food. They hatch within 12 to 24 hours and the lifespan is 30 to 60 days. Houseflies are able to move their wings 200 times per second. Houseflies spits digestive juices on the food to decompose it before swallowing. Mosquito. Mosquito is an insect that bites and feeds on the blood of human and other animals. They are active from dawn to dusk. Only female mosquito bite people. It uses the sharp tip of its straw-like mouth to pierce a person's skin. Mosquitoes being a vector for diseases such as malaria, yellow fever and dengue. Mosquitoes lays egg in still water, most commonly in ponds. Female mosquitoes lays about 200 eggs. Cockroach. Cockroaches are black or brownish insects that are nocturnal or mostly active at night. A cockroach can survive a week without head. Cockroach blood does not have red blood corpuscles. That's why it is white. Average lifespan of a cockroach is 1 year. Male cockroaches are smaller in size. They have 6 long spiny legs that allow them to run quickly almost any surface. They run 3 miles in an hour. Cockroaches are omnivorous scavengers. They eat everything. Bee. Honeybee is a flying insect known for its ability to collect nectar from fruits and produce honey. They are mustard yellow and brown in color. All worker bees are female. A bee produces a teaspoon of honey, which about 5 grams in her lifetime. Bees live in large groups called colonies. An average beehive can hold around 50,000 bees. Honeybees communicate with each other by dancing. Honeybees teaches us to do hard work. Grasshopper. Grasshopper are medium to large insect at about a length of 1 to 7 centimeters. They have chewing mouth parts and 2 parts of wings. One narrow and tough, the other is wide and flexible. They have long hind legs for jumping. They are most active during the day. Cricket. Cricket are insects somewhat related to grasshopper because they have similar body structure including jumping hind legs. Cricket are known for its chirp sound. They lay eggs in the soil or plant stem. The lifetime of a cricket is about 90 days. Wasp. Wasps are distinguished from the ants and bees by various physical and behavioral characteristics. Unlike bees, wasps can sting repeatedly. Only females have stingers. If you harm one, it will warn the rest of the colony. Bedbug. Bedbugs are typically found in beds and small cracks. They are small, oval, brownish insects that live on the blood of animals or human. They inject the skin with saliva. They do not fly but can move quickly. Bedbug eggs takes approximately 6 to 7 days to hatch. Louse, singular. Lice are parasites living extendedly on warm-blooded host. Head lice are tiny, wingless insects. They live in human hair. Even though they are extremely small, lice eggs can be seen with the naked eye. Beetle. Adult beetles have 2 sets of wings. Female beetles usually lay dozens or hundreds of eggs. Most beetles only live for a year. They cannot see very well, so they communicate using pheromones, sounds, and vibrations. Beetles can both hurt and help the environment. Some beetle species destroy crops or property, while some species help get rid of garbage, eat dead trees, or help pollinate flowers. Dragonfly. A dragonfly starts their life by hatching from eggs under the water. They breathe using gills just like fish when they are underwater. Dragonfly can fly very fast. They have 2 pairs of transparent wings. A dragonfly can eat hundreds of mosquitoes in a day. Dragonfly can fly straight up and down and side to side. Flea. Fleas are wingless insects. They jump from one place to another. They are usually dark colored at about 1.5 mm to 3.3 mm long. Fleas can live outdoors in sand or tall grass. They will jump to any passing animal and lay eggs. Flea bites are usually red bumps and they itch. Ladybug. Ladybug have oval dome-shaped bodies with 6 short legs. Depending on the species, they can have spots or stripes or no markings at all. They are small flying beetles. They also lay dead to protect themselves from predators. When started, they also release a foul-smelling liquid from their knees. Moth. Moths are insects. They are closely related to butterflies. Most of the moths are active during night. Moth antennae look like little feathers. Moth will fly around bright objects and appear to be attracted to light. Scorpion. Scorpions are predatory animals, making them cousins to spider. They have a narrow segmented tail that often curves over their back, on the end of which is a venomous stinger. Scorpions have 8 legs and a pair of grasping pedipalps. Scorpions are highly poisonous. Dear students, millipede, spider, caterpillar, centipede, and earthworm are some creatures misunderstood as insects. What are they? Millipede, spider, caterpillar, centipede, and earthworm. They are not insects.
Multiple choice questions. First one. They are social insects. They live in large groups or colonies. They are, your options are, housefly, ladybug, spider, ant. Yes, your answer is ant. The second one. They are beautiful flying insects with large scaly wings. They are, your options, bedbug, beetle, bee, butterfly. Butterfly, the right answer. Third one. They spend their life around light. They are wasp, moth, flea, earthworm. Moth, your right answer. Fourth one. They can live for a week without their head. They hold their breath to regulate the loss of water. They are caterpillar, centipede, cricket, cockroach. Your answer is cockroach. Well done. That's the end of today's session. Hope you all enjoyed it. Do listen to this repeatedly. Okay? Bye-bye. God bless.